If you're looking for one of the most iconic tires in drag racing with the history and pedigree to back it all up, then you should definitely check out a set of ET drags from Mickey Thompson. Now, this legendary slick is designed specifically for use at the drag strip, of course, and is not DOT legal, so prospective buyers will need to keep that in mind. Your sizing is currently available in only a 15-inch wheel diameter, but there will be a 26, a 28, and a 29-inch tall option, and in widths ranging from 9 to 10.5 inches wide. Your pricing is going to remain pretty consistent from tire to tire and will be hovering right around that $200 mark per tire, depending on your size. Now, ever since Mickey released their Street Strip Treater Slick back in the mid-60s, that's a bit of a tongue twister, they have been synonymous with drag racing and drag racing performance and also success. In fact, they've broken numerous records over the last 60 plus years and still continue to raise the bar today. In fact, the company still holds the record for fastest DOT legal drag tire in both your 8 and quarter-mile applications. So the ET Drag Slick is just that, a slick tire designed and built for drag strip use only. And this is important to point out, guys, because this tire is not, I repeat, not DOT legal. Now, I'm sure that's not going to stop some of you out there from running this thing on the street. And listen, I'm not trying to be the fun police here, but you should definitely be aware of that before buying. Now, if you did want a 15-inch bias ply option that is stamped with the DOT approval, the Mickey Thompson ET Street R bias would certainly be worth a look, and we do offer that one on the site as well. I run it on my car, I absolutely love it, it's a great tire, and the best part is it won't get you any static from the fuzz. But getting back to the ET Drag here, and again, this is a full slick, a bias ply tire, by the way, with a soft sidewall, meaning it's gonna be a great option for my stick cars out there who wanna get aggressive on the launch and would prefer to have the tire take out some of the impact when dropping that clutch at 5, 6, or higher 1,000 RPM. Now, that will hopefully reduce your chance of breakage when using a softer tire like this off the line, as opposed to going with a stiff wall drag radial. Now, sure, auto guys can still take advantage of a tire like this, but most of the time, you auto guys like to take advantage of a drag radial, as the shock to your drivetrain is far less than what a stick car experiences when leaving the line hard. Now, as far as compounds are concerned, Mickey actually uses a few different compounds depending on your size here with the ET Drag. And that's going to include their L8, their M5, and in some rare cases, even their X8 compound for mainly the taller tires. Now, the L8 and the X8 compounds will be a bit softer compared to the M5, but at the end of the day, Mickey says both compounds will be great for general use. Now, it is worth pointing out that Mickey does offer a recommended tube for the 15-inch ET Drag. Here, your part number is going to be 9558 from Mickey, but a lot of people actually choose to run this tire without tubes, and that's perfectly fine too. Now, your only con to running these things without a tube is that you might lose some air over time, and depending on the power and the weight of your ride, the tire might distort a little too much on your launch. And at that point, even possibly cutting off a valve stem, which is never a good thing, especially when you're running out the big end at well over 100 miles an hour. Now, some guys will choose to use an adhesive as opposed to screws, but ultimately a beadlock with screws is the proper and safest way to run tubes with this particular tire. Now, also keep in mind here, guys, that even though, yes, this is a dedicated drag tire, we still do offer our free mounting and balancing services in addition to an optional nitrogen fill and free shipping and handling along with your 15-inch drag wheel. Now, it's a great way to take some of the work out of the process for you guys. That way, when your drag pack shows up to your door, simply unbox them, air them down, bolt them up, and you're on your way to lower 60-foot times. So if you're looking for a full slick bias ply tire that is born and bred for the strip, be sure to check out a set of ET Drags from Mickey T right here at AmericanMuscle.com.